Yo, what's up guys? This is Raiden TV again, and this is a brand new tutorial. Ito tutorial na to is all about how you can do your streaming with your favorite music without copyright. So simulan na natin. But anyway, before we start, tulungan nyo naman ako maka 1K subscriber guys. Right now, as you can see, we have 251 subscribers. So once na na-reach natin yung 1K subscriber, magpaparapol tayo yung 1K PHP. That's going to be sent through Gcash, and you have 1 day to claim your prize. And I will be announcing it on our page, Riding Gaming, on Facebook. So huwag niyo kalimutan guys, tulungan niyo ako maka 1K subscriber para maparaffle na natin yan for 1K PHP. So kung gusto niyo yung video, huwag niyo kalimutang mag-subscribe. Also like the video, and then mag-comment na rin kayo if you want, if you have some suggestion na gusto nyong gawing tutorial for the next video. But right now, let's move on. Ang una mo lang kailangan gawin is software na kailangan natin gamitin ngayon is WavePad, since I already have WavePad. And eto siya. So I already have WavePad here on my download folder. There you go. Kailangan mo lang siya install. Maliit lang naman yung files niya, so kailangan kaya nyo siyang i-download. And then, eto na siya. So, susunod, kailangan mo lang kunin first yung music na gusto mo. I have a bunch of music right here. Makuha tayo ng, let's say, makuha tayo ng mahaba. Para medyo mahaba-haba. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea guys, para hindi one by one. Kasi means, this is a demo version ng WavePad. So, kailangan mo siyang bilhin para magamit mo siya ng paulit-ulit. Pero, ang diskarte lang is, kailangan mo lang siyang i-uninstall and then install ulit para makagawa ka or makapag-edit ka. Okay, so ito na yung music. Parinig ko sa inyo guys. Adik sa'yo. So that's gonna be the normal music. So para magamit mo siya, of course, pag pinlay mo tong music na to sa background music sa streaming mo, maka-copyright and mamamute yung video. So kailangan mo lang gawin dito is let's go to effect and then speed pitch change. And then yung arrow dito sa taas, kailangan mo lang siyang i-add ng dalawa. And then the sounds will be like this. Okay. So, apply na natin. So, pag binago mo yung speed pitch, hindi na siya madedetect ni Facebook as a copyright. So, you can use whatever music that you want na background sa streaming mo. Basta gawin mo lang yung ginawa ko dito. So, edit mo lang yung speed pitch. So, eto na siya. Ilang sawa na sa aking mga kwento marapit. Save na natin siya. Speed pitch. Then pagkatapos, pag nasave natin yung files na to, okay na siya, pwede mo na siyang i-add dun sa kung ano man yung ginagamit mo, pang stream, kung that's OBS or Streamlab OBS, okay na yun. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kadali kung paano mag-edit ng speed pitch. Sana nakatulong yung tutorial. Don't forget to hit thumb mark or like button. And of course, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe guys para makasali kayo sa raffle once na na-reach natin yung 1K subscriber. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel natin, Riding TV. Okay. Medyo madami yung song. Actually, I believe it's 90-minute song. Halos lahat ng song, na best song ni River Maya. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to finish. Let's wait for that. Okay, so tapos na siya guys. Eto na yung music natin. Tapos na tayo speed pitch. So I hope you like the video. And again, tulungan nyo ako guys mga 1K subscriber para makapagparabol tayo ng 1K PHP. And that's gonna be sent through GCash. So huwag nyo kalimutan guys, hit subscribes. And kita-kits tayo sa susunod pa nating video.